सिक्किममा आयोजित 8औं पूर्वोत्तर युवा उत्सव 2025 को समापन 20 मार्चको दिन गान्तोकको पाल्जर स्टेडियममा सम्पन्न भयो। यस अवसरमा सिक्किमका मुख्यमन्त्री श्री प्रेमसिंह तामाङ मुख्य अतिथिको रूपमा उपस्थित हुनुहुन्थ्यो भने युवा मामिला तथा खेलकुद विभागकी केन्द्रीय राज्यमन्त्री रक्षा निकेल खालसे प्रसादको विशेष उपस्थिति रहेको थियो। पूर्वोत्तर युवा उत्सव युवाहरूको वार्षिक जमघट हो जसमा विभिन्न प्रतिस्पर्धात्मक कार्यक्रमहरू हुने गर्छ। सिक्किममा आयोजित यस वर्षको युवा उत्सवको ध्येय वाक्य सशक्त युवा सशक्त क्षेत्र मेरो भारत विकसित भारत रहेको थियो। यस अवसरमा 1500 भन्दा अधिक प्रतियोगीहरूले सहभागिता जनाएका थिए।
We also have with us contingent from the National Service Scheme NSS from all across India.
खेलकुद एवं युवा मामिला विभागका सचिव याङचन डी तामाङले 4 दिवसीय युवा उत्सवको रिपोर्ट पेश गर्नुभयो।
This festival not only showcased immense talent and cultural richness of the Northeast, but also strengthened the bonds of friendship and collaboration among our young minds. Today, we reflect on the incredible journey, creativity, and spirit of unity that have defined the past few days. Each morning began with a yoga and Zumba session at 6 a.m. here at Palja Stadium. The daytime had a variety of competitive events lined up like one-act play, Know Your Northeast quiz, folk song, folk dance and instrumental guitar at Nar Bahadur Bhandare Government College. Adventure activities like rock climbing, rappelling, traversing and trekking were held at Selaptank and Famongla Wildlife Sanctuary. We had musical evenings with the War of the Bands at this stadium and cultural shows staged at MG Mark. Beyond the performances and competitions, this festival also had space for meaningful dialogues, sharing of innovative ideas, and collaboration to build a brighter future for our region. The National Service Scheme volunteers participated in life skill programs like Suvichar, Seminar, and Youth Convention at Chintan Bhavan, while the Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan participated in Yuva Kriti and Food Festival at MG Mark, providing a unique opportunity to the young participants
यस अवसरमा केन्द्रीय युवा मामिला अनि खेलकुद विभागका मन्त्री मनसुख माण्डवियाले भिडियो सन्देश दिएका थिए। समापन समारोहमा अरुणाचल प्रदेश, मिजोरम, सिक्किम र त्रिपुराका युवाहरूले मार्शल आर्ट प्रदर्शन गरेका थिए भने स्थानीय कलाकारहरूले पारम्परिक याक डान्स प्रस्तुत गरे। आफ्नो सम्बोधनमा राज्यको खेलकुद एवं युवा मामिला विभागका मन्त्री श्री राजु बस्नेतले युवा केन्द्रित मुख्यमन्त्री श्री प्रेमसिंह तामाङको नेतृत्वमा युवा उत्सव 2025 सफलतापूर्वक सम्पन्न भएको बताउनुभयो। आउँदो 2047मा भारतलाई सुपर पावर बनाउने दिशामा केन्द्र सरकारले पूर्वोत्तर राज्यहरूलाई केन्द्रित गरेको उहाँले बताउनुभयो।
From the northeast and other parts of India gathered in Gangtok, this picturesque city of Gangtok in this beautiful state of Sikkim, in a festive mood of cultural events, shows, youth-centric programs and culinary arts of the entire Northeast. Northeast Youth Festival in the past few years has not only promoted cultural exchanges between the states of the Northeastern India, but also has promoted integration among the Northeastern states and thereby integration with the Indian Union at large. The theme of this festival is Empowered Youth, Empowered Region, My Bharat, Vikasit Bharat.
यसरी नै युवा मामिला एवं खेलकुद विभागका केन्द्रीय राज्य मन्त्री रक्षा निखेल खाचे प्रसादले पूर्वोत्तर खेलकुद उत्सवको सफल आयोजनको लागि राज्यप्रति बधाई व्यक्त गर्नुभयो। पूर्वोत्तर क्षेत्रको विकासको निम्ति यस प्रकारको युवा उत्सवहरूलाई बढावा दिनुपर्ने कुरामा उहाँले जोड दिनुभयो। पूर्वोत्तरका युवाहरूलाई सशक्त बनाउनका निम्ति प्रधानमन्त्री श्री नरेन्द्र मोदीले विभिन्न पहलहरू गरिरहेको पनि उहाँले बताउनुभयो।
यूथ फेस्टिवल हमारे देश के लिए और हमारे युवाओं के लिए एक काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण फेस्टिवल है, जो सिक्किम में पिछले 17 तारीख से तो 20 तारीख के बीच में हमने सबने देखा, हमने सबने अनुभव किया। और मुझे लगता है कि ये यूथ फेस्टिवल सिर्फ युवाओं को एकत्रित करना नहीं है, इस युवाओं को, यहाँ पे आए हुए युवा को यूनिटी, कोऑपरेशन और म्यूचुअल लर्निंग का भी अवसर इस फेस्टिवल के माध्यम से मिलता है। और उसी तरह हमारे अलग अलग राज्यों से आए हुए एनएसएस के हमारे वॉलंटियर्स, उसी तरह एनवाईकेएस के हमारे सभी वॉलंटियर्स, उनको भी मैं अभिनंदन करती हूँ कि उनके प्रयास, उनके पूरी मेहनत से ये प्रोग्राम सफल हुआ है। और अब हम सभी को पता है कि एनएनएस के छात्र जो सेवा भावना से विकसित करने और उनको व्यक्तिगत को निखारने का काम करता है, युवाओं को सशक्त बनाने का, समाज से जोड़ने का काम करता है। और हमने सभी ने भी हमारे बचपन से, हमने स्कूल में, जब हम कॉलेज स्कूल में पढ़ते थे तो हम सभी लोग एनएसएस से जुड़े हैं और देश के कार्य में, देश की सेवा के कार्य में हम तब से काम करते आए हुए हैं। और मुझे लगता है कि आने वाले पीढ़ी को भी एनएसएस के साथ जोड़ना ये बहुत अहम भूमिका है, जो हमारा देश हर राज्य से अपने अपने कॉलेज की तरफ से कोशिश करते आया है।
आफ्नो सम्बोधनमा मुख्यमन्त्री श्री प्रेमसिंह तामाङले पूर्वोत्तर युवा उत्सव 2025मा सहभागी हुन पाउनु आफ्नो निम्ति गर्वको विषय रहेको बताउनुभयो। मुख्यमन्त्रीले पूर्वोत्तरका युवाहरूप्रति पूर्ण विश्वास व्यक्त गर्नुहुँदै 2047सम्म भारतलाई वैश्विक नेतृत्वमा रूपान्तरण गर्ने क्षमता पनि उनीहरूले राख्दछ भन्नुभयो। मुख्यमन्त्रीले शिक्षा, दक्षता विकास, एआई र रोबोटिक्सको क्षेत्रमा भारतले निकै प्रगति गरिरहेको बताउनुभयो। युवा सशक्तिकरणमाथि बल दिने उहाँले सिक्किमको उत्पादहरूलाई राज्य बाहिर बढावा दिन राज्य सरकारले उद्यमिता विकासमा ध्यान दिइरहेको पनि उहाँले बताउनुभयो।
It is a great privilege to stand before this vibrant gathering at the 8th Northeast Youth Festival, where the energy, aspirations and potential of our youth come together to shape the future of our region and our great nation Bharat. This year's theme, Empower Youth, Empower Region, My Bharat, Vikasit Bharat, regenerates deeply with the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, who has laid out the ambitious roadmap of Vikasit Bharat 2047, a vision to transform India into a fully developed nation on the completion of 100 years of our independence. This mission is not just a government initiative but a call to action for every citizen, particularly the youth, to actively participate in building a prosperous and self-reliant Bharat. For decades, the Northeast was often viewed through a political lens with minimal focus on real development. However, from the year 2014, under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, our region has undergone a historic and holistic transformations, emerging as a hub of progress. Enhanced connectivity, improved infrastructures, and economic expansion are creating unprecedented opportunity for our youth. We are thankful to the Honorable Prime Minister for giving the auspicious name of Asta Lakshmi to the Northeast region and providing special opportunities to us to prosper and grow higher. As an incredible historical milestone, our Prime Minister has visited our Northeast region over 60 times just for our sake, while the visit of a Prime Minister before 2014 used to be very rare. Today, the Northeast region stands at the threshold of limitless possibilities. This is the most favorable time for our young minds to dream big, take bold step and steer the region towards greater prosperity. We are also thankful to the Government of India for formulating new industrial development scheme, Unnati 2024, as the central sector scheme for the development of industrial and generation of employment in the state of Northeast region. The key focus area for youth development include education and skill development, which are essential for preparing our youth for a global future. Our government is investing in progressive institutions and vocational training center in advanced fields such as artificial intelligence, robotics, and the digital economy, alongside specialized coaching and scholarship for aspiring civil servants, defense personnel, and government's mechanism. Moreover, industry tie-ups and training programs are bridging the gap between education and employability. We also emphasize entrepreneurship, encouraging youth to be job creators, not just job seekers, by leveraging opportunities in agriculture, tourism, handicraft, and traditional farming. My dear friends, government initiative like State of India, Stand Up India, and state level support program provide funding, mentorship, and market access, while e-commerce and digital marketing help expand Northeast product to national and global market. In terms of employment and career growth, the booming private sector offers vast opportunities in IT, hospitality, aviation, and healthcare, complemented by increasing corporate investment and internship, apprenticeship, and online learning program to enhance competitiveness. Moreover, sports, arts, and culture are key domain where Northeast talent is gaining global recognition. With dedicated effort to nurture the showcase our region's rich artistic and athletics potential, the Northeast has produced world-class athletes, musicians, and artists. Our government is committed to investing in sports infrastructure, academic, and culture program which will nurture our talent. Promoting regional art, music, and filmmaking on national and global platform. Using social media and digital avenues to elevate the Northeast as a cultural powerhouse. The pristine nature of the Northeast is our greatest asset. Development must go hand in hand with environmental responsibility. Ecotourism, traditional farming, and green energy project will play a crucial role in shaping the future market. Our youth must become the torchbearer of sustainable progress, advocating for responsible tourism and conservation effort. We must not forget that the Northeast region is a land of beauty and opportunity. Beyond its economic potential, our region is blessed with breathtaking landscape and a rich cultural heritage, from Kaziranga National Park in Assam, Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh, Cherrapunji in Meghalaya, Loktak Lake in Manipur, Jokhu Valley in Nagaland to Changu Lake in Sikkim, and many more. We have some of the world's most magnificent destinations in our region. Similarly, the Hornbill Festival in Nagaland and the Makar Sankranti Festival in Sikkim are vibrant cultural celebrations that foster unity and brotherhood among people from diverse backgrounds. Hornbill Festival Nagaland held annually from December 1st to 10 in Kasama Heritage Village near Kohima is known as the Festival of Festivals. The festival strengthens intertribal bonds and attract thousands of tourists, promoting cultural exchange and economic opportunities for local artisans and performers.
पछिबाट सहभागी राज्यहरूलाई विभिन्न प्रतियोगितामा उनीहरूको प्रदर्शनको आधारमा प्रमाणपत्र र पुरस्कार प्रदान गरियो। लोक नृत्य प्रतियोगितामा मिजोरमले प्रथम, मणिपुरले दोस्रो र सिक्किमले तेस्रो स्थान प्राप्त गर्यो। यसरी नै लोकगीत प्रतियोगितामा अरुणाचल प्रदेश प्रथम, नागाल्यान्ड दोस्रो र मणिपुर तेस्रो भयो। वार अफ ब्यान्ड्समा सिक्किमले प्रथम, मेघालयले दोस्रो अनि मिजोरमले तेस्रो पुरस्कार प्राप्त गर्यो, जबकि सोलो गिटार प्रतियोगितामा मेघालय, अरुणाचल प्रदेश र मणिपुर क्रमैले प्रथम, दोस्रो र तेस्रो बन्यो।